And you may have to make a little wider path through those cones.
Baby.
Good, good. That's better. Now, he gets to kick back. You turn, kick him back around. Don't let him, he should go the other way. Hey, get around, Griff.
Get around.
Put your right hand down. Your empty hand. Put your left hand out. That's it. Now go through your cone. Okay, get after him. Go smack that ground. Let him understand that that path is okay, I got it.
Easy. Snap it.
Yeah, because he's testing. You haven't made an impression on him this round. That's it. Now look at your cones. You look at where you and the sheep want to go. Now he's got to kick back towards Jennifer. That's it. And now he's got to kick back towards the round pen. Yes. Well, not until you get moving. Yeah, they trapped you. So we have to kick back around the other way.
Get around.
A big around. You have to come all the way towards this end. Right there.
Right there. Walk up.
That's it. It's not as easy as it looks going through those cones.
Get around.
Yeah, it's not.
Get around.
It's like, well, they should go through, but the cones are not an obstacle in the sheep's eyes. If you look at it, the gates are a big visual. They understand that. A cone, we can walk right over it. Who cares?
Yeah, exactly.
Doesn't matter which side we go on. So you've got to make sure you got the dog out there and making the sheep turn and making him stay off when he needs to get him lined up to go through those cones.
Because he's going around like that. What's the best way to keep him?
Block him. When he starts going around that front, put that step out in front and hey, get back. Get back. Now get off of him. Good. And walk my way.
Hey, back.
Turn towards him, put it in your other hand. Block him, step across. Don't let him. There you go. Good. Good. Now get off him. No, he was going correctly. So don't block him when he does it right. There you go. Now get off of him. Walk this way. You just don't want him coming up past your shoulders.
Right.
So right now, get ready, put it in your right hand. Well, now he's corrected himself. He knew. Good. Okay, now keep it in your right hand and you turn towards that next cone. Good. Now it's in your, go through. Left hand, turn around that next cone. Good job. See? Turn through the cross-guard panels. Keep walking. He's pacing himself better now. Nice. See, now you're moving yourself. That's fine. Go back through that panel and hang a left and go around that one between the cones. And that's it. Block him. Step across. Hey, get back. Get back. Step across there. Get back.
Good.
That's it. Now go through your spot and let him bring them. Steady. Go. Keep walking. You see how you're blocking him now and he's going, okay, I can't mess around with you. He was just having fun circling. And the more he circles, the closer he's getting. I know. He's bringing his power down so he can get up in there. He's like, are you catching this, Jen?